Hey guys, this is Baron with Tucson Subaru. We're going to talk about the power rear liftgate lockout safety mechanism. Now what happens is you'll go to unlock your door, you'll get 3 chirps and nothing's going to happen here. Not unlock it, but open your power rear liftgate. And that will happen whether you press the button here, press the button to unlock or open it up front, left of the steering wheel there, or on your key fob. Again, it'll just give you 3 chirps, nothing's going to happen. Now in the event that that does happen, just come here, make sure your doors are unlocked, press and hold the power button here to open the door. For about 10 seconds, you'll get a chirp, and then it'll completely have released itself. Now once you close the power rear liftgate after that, you can go ahead and resume the usage as normal, and that will have overridden or reset that safety lockout mechanism. Again, this is Baron with Tucson Subaru. Thanks for watching.